So I am here with one more question from NCERT class 10th, exercise 3.4, question number 7 of 4, page number 57. You can get this question. So look what is written in this question. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and additional charge for each day. Thereafter, Sarita paid rupees 25 for a book for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find fixed charge and charge for each extra day. So you can correlate this question with the Ola or Uber cab. How? When you book cab, the fixed charge, initial nominal charges, there is some fixed charges, rupees 14 or 50 around, and after that the distance you have traveled per kilometer you have to pay for this. So this is the same correlate. You can correlate this question with this example what I have given to you. Means lending लाइब्रेरी है जो फिक्स चार्ज. एक कोई लाइब्रेरी है, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, एक कोई लाइब्रेरी है जो कि पहले 3 दिनों के लिए आपको एक फिक्स चार्ज उसने डिसाइड कर दिया है कि आप अगर आते हो, कोई आपको बुक लेना है तो आप ले जा सकते हैं 3 दिन के लिए, पर उसका आपको कुछ फिक्स चार्ज देना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद तीसरे दिन के बाद से आपके पर डे के चार्जेस अप्लाई होंगे, एप्लीकेबल होंगे. मतलब 3 दिन तक आपको एक फिक्स चार्ज है कि आप कुछ भी रुपीस एक फिक्स चार्ज आपको पे करना रहेगा. उसके बाद आप 3 दिन तक वो बुक आपके पास रहेगी. चौथे दिन से आपको उसके लिए एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज पे करना पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पे 2 कंडीशंस गिवन है. एन एडिशनल चार्ज फॉर ईच डे. ओके, यू कैन सी हियर एन एडिशनल चार्ज फॉर ईच डे. देयरआफ्टर सरिता पेड रुपीस 27 फॉर अ बुक. सरिता क्या करती है? 7 दिन के लिए सरिता यहाँ पे पहले बात मैं करूंगा सरिता की. सरिता. सो सरिता के केस में क्या है? सरिता के पास बुक रहती है. सरिता इज हैविंग बुक फॉर 7 days एंड शी पेड रुपीस 27. For 7 days she paid rupees 27. In these 7 days, the 3 days is also included for the fixed charge. Means in 7 days, for 3 days, she will pay the fixed charge. This is the concept for this question here. She will pay the fixed charge. Okay, and for after that, and in this question, for the first 3 days she will pay the first. So in Sarita is having book for 7 days total. In 7 days, 3 days for fixed charge, and for 4 days she will pay the additional charge. Okay, what charge? Additional charge. And these total, after adding these total charges, she is paid 27 rupees. Okay, and the for Susie the second condition is also same. So if I am writing here that let fixed charge is rupees x, and additional charges be rupees y. Okay, so according to first condition, Sarita paid 27 for a book for the 7 days. Means she is having book for 3 days for x rupees. Means for x is the fixed charge, so she will pay the fixed charge for 3 days plus additional charge for 4 days. Means 4 into y is equals to 27. This is the equation number 1. You will get these from this statement, and after assuming that you will get the concept. This is for Sarita. Okay, and I will rub first of all. You can note down, and after that, this is equation 1. I have to take this equation only. Now I am going to rub. Please, if you want to write it down. Okay, this is for Sarita. Now, if you will say the next statement for Susie. Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. For Susie, what is for Susie? Susie is having book for 5 days and she is paying rupees 21. Okay, means in 5 days, 3 days for fixed charge means 3 of x, and remaining 2 days is for y is equals to she will pay the rupees of 21. You can get the concept from here that she is having book for total 5 days. In these 5 days, 3 days is for fixed charge means 3 of x, x is the fixed charge I am assuming, and remaining 2 days is for variable charge means or additional charge is y. So after solving these two equations, I will write it down. Equation number 1 here. I am going to rub this section. Okay, let me write it down here. The equation number 1: 3 of x plus 4 of y is equals to 27. This is the equation number 1. I am writing down below the equation number 2. Doesn't matter. You have to calculate just value of x and y. Okay. After solving this equation, you can see the changing after changing the sign. 3x cancel out by 3x with the minus sign, and minus of 2y get when you will subtract 2y from 2y minus of 4y, and 21 minus of 27 minus of 6 rupees. Okay, so y is equals to 3 rupees. How much? 3 rupees. So the variable cost or additional cost is rupees 3. She has to pay rupees 3 days per day. Per day she will pay the rupees 3 for as an additional charge. And what is the fixed charge? Put this equation number y. Put the value of y in equation number 1 means 3 of x plus 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 21. So 3 of x is equals to 21 minus of 6 is equals to, you will get the 15, means x is equals to 3 5 ja 15, x is equals to 5. You will get the value of x means fixed charge per day, x will be 5 rupees per day. Okay, so from here you will get the value of x and y. X is rupees 5 per day and y is rupees 3 per day. Now I can prove that this is the right or not. We will see. Look, after solving these two, you get that x is 5 rupees per day as a fixed charge, and y is equals to 3 rupees per day as an additional charge. Okay, now she paid 27 rupees for as she is having 27 rupees for 7 days. So first 3 days multiplied by 3 of x, this was the equation number first, and 4y is the, this is equation number first aita. Now put the value of x for the verify. We will verify the after putting this value. 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 3. So you can see 5 3 is 15 plus 4 3 is 12. You will easily get the value of 27, means LHS is equals to RHS. The value of x and y is correct. This is all about this question. This is the basic concept of funda, you can say. So this is the concept. Thank you very much. We will further continue with more examples or more numericals. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for better videos. Thank you very much.